My name is Tony Moore. We interviewing people right now, and we're gonna go over here. Hey, Moore, how are you doing today?
I'm good.
So is it a good turnout so far?
Yeah, it is.
Who do you think's gonna win that candy?
Me.
The Holy Spirit. Let's go. Let's move on. Thank you. Hey, let's go downstairs real quick.
Let's go.
Hey, Yula, how you doing? How do you feel about this?
Good.
Are you ready to perform today?
Not really. I just practiced today.
I know I'm nervous too, but we'll get through it.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Alright. Follow me, camera crew. Alright. Oh, yeah? Each other's name, okay? Who are you? You pay what? Alright. Who are you? Who are you? And who are you? Oh, this guy's Tony. And this is the next boy band. They're called NSYNC Part 2. You! What is your name?
Yo.
What do you like to do? Gomeng, how are you doing?
Good.
Are you ready to perform tonight?
Yes.
Can you tell everybody upstairs how you're feeling right now?
Alright.
Go on. Turn it on. Oh yeah. How are you feeling tonight?
Feel alright, man.
Okay, what about your performance? You feel good about it?
Yes.
Alright, tell everybody upstairs what your name is and what song you're gonna perform.
我有公民我，鬼红的灰机子举崩你
Okay. Yeah, and that's what they're gonna do. Hey Manny, what's up? How are you doing?
Does that work?
Yeah.
Does that work upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's Manny. She knew. Jobless right now.
I am jobless. Who else is jobless?
He's jobless.
Who's jobless? Who is jobless?
Let's go in the kitchen.
You guys are all waiters.
Excuse me, kitchen. Hey, how's the fried rice going? Good. The fried rice is good.
Is there looking good,
my name?
My name is Nyapa Sangwa.
And that is our main cooker. She is the chef. She's very good. What's your special tonight?
I've got 5-course meal cake.
Yes, that is her, and she is very smart. Okay, let's go. Couples, they're very cute. The corner. So if you want to come over here, it's the corner. I'm the reporter for tonight. Good. Are you going to take a picture too? Picture?
No.
Yes, she is. She's going to take a picture. Hey, come on. Do you have a second? How's the light holding? How's holding the light? Ooh, the motion is stronger. The motion is stronger. Are you ready for tonight?
Yes, I am.
Yes. She's our camera person, and she's very smart. Where else? Peter. Hey Peter, can you tell us what you're singing tonight? How are you feeling about your performance tonight?
What do you guys do?
We're interviewing people.
I'm kind of nervous because
He goes to school with me down the We're good?
What way did we get a
cái lọ là cái dài nhau hồng nữa.
chỉ mong xa xa nhớ đủ là tiền chỉ gió chụp lên dài ta của lũ xuân là vì chú sẽ cho chú con chỉ tao nó chú một con giờ yo ư plô luôn nên chỉ muốn mua sa để tu nhớ môi nhung của sự lê lô nhà ư cho pro luôn nên cho vào chữ tô họ ư chỉ sao trời lô ư ta chỉ ha tu ư tu kể lu cô chú ha ư chỉ sao một chú ư ta lê ô nê chẳng luôn chi mua có luôn chi chú cô nhỏ mong thời ta thâu trong cho nhé lo dễ trong sân nhỏ đùm là tiền giờ mua tên mê cho cô bao nhiêu mua có luôn nhá muốn chi dù cả về nhỏ xa người tu kê lu chuột la chịu chỉ tao cho có khát trong mũ bao vô lu bao tao.
I'm gonna do this. Everybody's gonna give you their attention. Then we're gonna think to sew.
太好了，老师。